disqualification petition filed by Mr. Girish Chogankar. The Speaker has dismissed the petition. We expected nothing more. It has been dismissed. The only silver lining is after lot of efforts for last 2 years, finally a decision has come. So since the decision is there, now we will take steps to ensure that the correct law in the regard of disqualification for defectors is laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court. We had requested the Speaker to interpret the provisions of the 10th schedule in a manner which prevent defection. Now the Speaker has dismissed the petition. Therefore, obviously, he has interpreted the provision in a manner which promote defection. So, therefore, the order in a single line to say is something which promote defection rather than to prevent defection, which is the aim of the 10th schedule.
So, why the Speaker took so long to dismiss the petition?
I think the best person to answer that would be the Honorable Speaker, because it was getting delayed. We first approached the Honorable High Court. High Court in fact said that you decide as early as possible. Even despite that order, nothing was happening. Therefore, we were constrained to approach the Honorable Supreme Court. The matter is still pending in the Supreme Court, and I think the decision which has come is again because the matter is pending before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court had to say few things in the earlier occasion when the hearing of the matter took place. So therefore, I think finally, eventually, the decision has come. It's long overdue, but eventually it has come. So we will now test whatever the decision has been taken by the Supreme Court. We have just got the copy of the order. We had no time to go through it. We'll go through it. But the operative portion which was pronounced, he has said that the petition is dismissed.
So grounds has been not been what the grounds or what the matter has been done. Like किती findings अशी.
The finding आम्ही वाचू ना. So operative portionच त्याने dictate केले. So we will go through it and we'll let you know what are the grounds. Otherwise, what we have basically argued is that this concept of some majority of the legislature party one day getting up and say that na आम्ही party merge केली is something which is not provided under the 10th schedule. Basically, if legislature members are given so much of power that without even reference to a political party on stand-alone basis, political party चे merge करपाक लागले, जाल्यार democracy आनी काय उरलें ना न्ही. Basically, the object of the 10th schedule was to give some importance to the political parties. कितें जाल्लें की जेन्ना 10th schedule enact केल्लो तेन्ना elected members were taking decision as per their whims and fancies. So therefore, to give some importance to the political party, to the role of the political party, 10th schedule was enacted. Now the way it has been interpreted, at least in the present matter, is to say the political parties or kide role aso, but the legislature member can one day get up and say that no, आम्ही merge करता आणि political party merge झाली. To us, our understanding, this is something which is not known to the 10th schedule and it is contrary to the basic fundamentals of democracy. You can't have such a thing that political party कायच role na 10th schedule. I think that is not something which is in our understanding provided under the 10th schedule. We are not here, the 10th schedule is not to promote defection, it is to prevent defection.
Do you think this has to go before a larger bench also, because speakers have been passing similar orders?
No, instead of a larger bench, now it is for the Honorable Supreme Court to decide. You guys would be aware that on the earlier assembly session, we had filed a petition. Though the tenure of that session had come to an end, the matter in the Supreme Court has been still kept pending. Specifically because we requested that this is a very, very important question of law. You are required to decide it. So the Honorable Supreme Court has kept the matter pending. It is pending adjudication. Now therefore, we will explore our possibilities how to go ahead. But the endeavor will be to approach the Honorable Supreme Court eventually as early as possible to ensure that a proper law is laid down. Law in respect of defection, whether such a kind of a merger wherein only the legislature party's member take a decision and it is deemed that the merger of the political party has taken place, whether it is correct, whether it is in tune with the democratic principle which our country follows, is something which we will request the Honorable Supreme Court to decide.
What will be your SLP before Supreme Court, which is coming up next week?
Basically now, since he has taken a decision, accordingly the SLP will have to be, the appropriate orders will have to be passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Our main contention there was that despite the order of the Honorable High Court and after having so much time lapsed, it's almost 2 years I guess now, no decision is forthcoming. As I said on the last occasion, the decision was not to take any decision. The only silver lining today is that eventually now they are forced to take a decision. They have taken a decision, which obviously, as we expected that the same decision will come. Nothing else by looking at the conduct for last 2 years. But finally decision has come, so we'll challenge it now.
सुप्रीम कोर्टा फुड्यान फक्त डिले ऑफ दी ऑर्डर घेवन आशिल्ली काय डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशनाच्यो आशिल्ली?
सुप्रीम कोर्टान एक्चुअली 2 मॅटरी पेंडींग आसा. जी ह्या मॅटराचे जे कनेक्टेड मॅटर आसा दॅट वॉज टू डायरेक्ट द स्पीकर टू डिसायड इट इन अ टायम बाउंड मॅनर. पयलीं हायकोर्टान तांकां डायरेक्शन दिल्लें तरी पूण तेंच्यांनी डिसायड करूं ना. म्हणून आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टान गेल्ले की बाबा हायकोर्टाचे ऑर्डर आसा तरी डिसायड करना म्हणून सुप्रीम कोर्टान आसा. दुसरी मॅटर आसा ती लास्ट असेंब्ली सेशनाची जंय 10 मेंबर डिफॅक्ट जाल्ले ती अजून पेंडींग आसा. दॅट इज केप्ट अलायव टू डिसायड द क्वेश्चन ऑफ लॉ वेदर सच कायंड ऑफ अ मर्जर आर परमिसेबल अंडर 10th शेड्यूल ऑर नॉट.
ह्या केसीक तुमी फुडें आनी वचपाचें आसा?
Obviously, because according to us, the correct way to interpret 10th schedule is to look at the aim and objective for which the 10th schedule was enacted. It was enacted to ensure that the defection do not take place. It was to prevent defection. Atadar, if you give such a wide power to the legislature members, saying that one day we will form a group who happen to be majority, we will decide, and on standalone basis we will merge a political party and it will be deemed to be merged. I don't think that fits in the scheme of a democratic setup. So obviously we'll challenge.
गिरीश बाब, तुम्ही सकाळीच एक स्टेटमेंट केल्लो, फेसबुकार स्टेटमेंट घातलेलो अशें जातलें म्हणून. तुम्ही रेडी आसले की अशें कितें जातलें?
जो स्पीकर मर्जर म्हणून पयलीं अनावन्स करता, जो स्पीकर तांकां लोटस सिंबल अलॉट करता, तोच स्पीकर त्याच मॅटराचेर जज म्हणून काम करता. सो क्रायमूय तोच करता आनी त्या क्रायमाचो जजूय तोच जाता. कशें जावपाक शकता? सो तो सांगतलो की आपणे त्या दीस तांकां लोटस सिंबल दिलो ते आपणे रॉंग केलो म्हणून सांगपाक शकतालो ना. सो इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड. 2 वर्सां जशें आमचे एडवोकेट अभिजितान सांगलें की 10th शेड्युलाचो उद्देशूच कितें आशिल्लो की डिफेक्शन प्रिवेंट करप म्हणून ताका एंटी डिफेक्शन म्हणटा. सो आयची ह्या स्पिकराचे ऑर्डरीन गोंयच्या स्पिकरान परत एकदां प्रूव केलें की इट इज नॉट एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ बट इट इज लॉ फॉर डिफेक्शन. ते प्रिवेल जाता. सेकंडली ही ऑर्डर जर पळयली जाल्यार इट इज अ झेरॉक्स कॉपी ऑर्डर ऑफ माय अर्लियर पिटिशन वेन द अर्लियर स्पीकर हेड गिवन द ऑर्डर. इट्स अ सेम. तेणी फक्त नांवां चेंज केल्यात आनी तीच ऑर्डर ते यूज करतात. सो देर इज नथींग न्यू इन दीस ऑर्डर and we all expected this order, and that's why I already posted on the social media that we don't expect the speaker to pass a fair order on line with the 10th schedule. So this order is completely in violation of the 10th schedule, जशें आमचे एडवोकेट अभिजितान सांगलें तशें. So there is you can't expect. Only thing our achievement is that the order is out. We never expected this order will be in our favor. So, and for that also we have to struggle for 2 years. Advocate Abhijit has time again reminded the speaker about the earlier Supreme Court order in case of Megha Chandra Manipur, that such petition should be disposed by the speaker within 3 months. But our speaker deliberately delayed it so that they were trying to prevent us from approaching the higher authorities. So one thing is clear, that till the time the speaker disposes the petition, we cannot approach the High Court or the Supreme Court. So the speaker was taking the advantage of this because he was completely biased. He was taking the dictations of the BJP leadership. This order also was ready long back, but he was not asked to deliver it. So today he has only asked to deliver this. He has only signed on it. So that is the only difference. But it was, everything was an expected line. हीच जर ऑर्डर तेणी तो जर सारको आशिल्लो, तांकां जर भिना आशिल्लें आनी तांकां दिसतालें की तेणी जें मर्जर जावं कितें केलां तो सारको आशिल्लो जाल्यार ते 3 म्हयन्यां भितर सेम ऑर्डर दिता आशिल्लें न्ही. तांकां 2 वर्सां आमकां हायकोर्टान आनी सुप्रीम कोर्टान वचपाक कित्याक पडलें. सो हेजो अर्थ स्पिकराक खबर आसा आनी जे कोणी डिफेक्शन केलां तांकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की तेणी कितें केलें तें रॉंग केल्लें आसा आनी त्या खातीर तेणी पिटिशनान डिले केल्लें म्हाजें. आतां स्पिकराक एकूच प्रश्न तुमी विचारपाक जाय. तो म्हणटा मर्जर जालें आनी तें मर्जर एक्झॅक्टली कोणें केलें आनी केन्ना जालें आनी खंय जालें. इज स्पीकर हॅविंग द पावर अंडर द People's Representative Act. देशांत जे आमचे वेगळे वेगळे कायदे आसात, खंयच्याय एक कायद्यान तरी स्पिकराक पावर दिता 2 पार्टी मर्ज करपाक. सो हाव स्पीकर कॅन से दॅट इज अ मर्जर. आनी मर्जर खंय आसा? हांवें इलेक्शन कमिशना कडेन चॅक केलें. इलेक्शन कमिशनान सांगलां गोंयांत खंयचीच पार्टीचें मर्जर जाल्लें ना फॉर लास्ट 2.5 years. सो मर्जर एक्झॅक्टली जालें खंय? सो हे स्पिकरान पयलीं सांगपाक जाय बाबा मर्जर खंय जालें. मर्जर तांकां ऑटोमॅटिकली हँड सिंबला वयल्यान लोटस सिंबल स्पिकरान खंयच्या आदाराची दिलो. स्पीकर कम्स इन द पिक्चर ओनली वेन अ डिफेक्शन पिटिशन इज फायल्ड, डिस्क्वॉलिफिकेशन पिटिशन इज फायल्ड बिफोर हिम. Otherwise, speaker does not come in the picture. Earlier also, one speaker has passed the order of merger. So how a speaker can pass the order of merger? That itself is a challengeable issue. But speaker आकूच खबर ना. स्पिकराचो पावर कितें जाल्यार इलेक्शन कमिशन कित्याक स्पिकर इलेक्शन कमिशन काढून ते सगळे पावर स्पिकराक दिवपाचे. स्पिकराक खंयची ऑथॉरिटी पावर दिता की 2 पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचो मर्जर करपाचो. सो हो तेणें पयलो व्हरलो. सो आयज जो केला त्याने 10th शेड्युलाचो परत एकदा मर्डर केला आणि त्या एंटी डिफेक्शन लॉ असं त्याने रिडिफाईन केला. दॅट इज द लॉ फॉर डिफेक्शन.
ताजे बद्दल हांव काय सांगतलें हांवें एज अ स्पीकर म्हणजे ऑर्डर पास केल्ली. ती ऑर्डर तुमकां जाय जाल्यार मेळटली सद्या तुम्ही त्या ऑर्डरी थ्रू वतात.
ते म्हणटा की ही ऑर्डर
ताणें ऑर्डर तुमी पळोवंक शकता. ताणें खंय ताणें पळयता ते वाचून दी मरे तुमी वाचा ऑर्डर
त्यांचे म्हणणे आसा की लास्ट ऑर्डर जाल्ली पळय ती झेरॉक्स कॉपी हांगा मेळ्ळी.
पण एज ऑफ नाव डिसमिस
केला म्हणजे
पळय कशें आसा ताज्यानी ते एलिगेशन करता पळय ताणें फुडें वचूंक शकता न्ही.
त्यांचे एक म्हणणं की समज अशी दिवपा 3 महिने आशिल्ली तेन्ना दिवपाचें म्हणून रावले कित्याक इतके
त्या हाजेर हांवें कितले रिंग घेतले की म्हजोच एक न्ही की तांचे सबमिशन हे सगळें जालें अशें.
तर हेजे स्पीकर तुमकां दिसता अश्यो केसी फास्ट ट्रॅक जावपाक जाय.
कसल्यो केसी
हांवें जस्ट फास्ट ट्रॅक घेवपाचोच प्रयत्न केलो. म्हणजे अनेक गजाल तांचे एडवोकेट आनी बाकी सगळें आसा न्ही की हाजे डिटेल तांकां विचारल्यार तुजें मेळटलें. हांवें फास्ट ट्रॅक घेवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो.